Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of computer science to explore one of its most impactful innovations, cloud computing. If you've ever wondered what exactly cloud computing is, how it works, and its different types, you're in the right place. In today's video, we will discuss following about cloud computing: definition, understanding, types, and deployment methods. So, let's get started with what is cloud computing. Cloud computing, in simple terms, refers to the delivery of various services over the internet. These services encompass a wide range of tools and applications, such as data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Instead of relying solely on your local hard drive, cloud-based storage enables you to store and access your data remotely through the web. This means that as long as your electronic device has an internet connection, you can access your data and the software you need to run it, no matter where you are. Cloud computing offers numerous benefits, including cost savings, increased productivity, speed, efficiency, enhanced performance, and heightened security. Let us move towards understanding cloud computing. The term cloud computing gets its name because the information you access resides remotely in the cloud or a virtual space. Companies providing cloud services allow you to store files and applications on remote servers, granting you access to your data via the internet. This freedom to access data from anywhere enables remote work and flexibility. Cloud computing essentially shifts the heavy computational tasks from your local device to powerful computer clusters in cyberspace. The internet itself becomes the cloud, granting you access to your data, work, and applications across various devices worldwide. Cloud computing can be categorized as public, private, or hybrid. Public clouds offer services over the internet for a fee, while private clouds are limited to specific clients or organizations. Hybrid clouds combine elements of both public and private services, offering flexibility and optimized infrastructure. Let's discuss about types of cloud services. Cloud computing services come in various forms, each designed to cater to specific needs. These services encompass functions such as email, storage, data backup and retrieval, app development and testing, data analysis, audio and video streaming, and on-demand software delivery. Despite being a relatively new service, cloud computing is already being utilized by a diverse range of entities, from large corporations to small businesses, nonprofits, government agencies, and individual consumers. Let's see deployment models. Cloud computing offers different deployment models to suit varying requirements. Public clouds operate on internet servers managed by third-party companies, providing easy access to services. Private clouds, on the other hand, are reserved for specific clients or organizations and may be hosted in a data service center. Hybrid clouds, as the name suggests, blend elements of both public and private services, offering a versatile approach to infrastructure and security optimization. And there you have it, our exploration of cloud computing, its types, and deployment models. I hope you've gained a clearer understanding of this powerful technology that's shaping our digital landscape. In the next video, we will discuss about type of cloud computing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights into the world of computer science. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.